Hello, good morning once again, my dear Matayum 2 students. How are you today? I hope you're doing good. Now, today we're going to continue our lesson on transformation. So we're still here on reflections. Okay, so we're finished already with the reflection on the x-axis and the reflection about the y-axis. Okay, so we're going to continue with the third, the fourth, and the fifth one. So we are now with the reflection about the line, which is y equals to x, a reflection with the y equals to negative x, or a reflection about the origin. Okay, so we have here again the reflection rules. So we have here the objects, and this will be the image form. Nah? So take a look at reflection about the line at y equals to x. Nah? So meaning to say that they are equal sign. So it can be also negative y or a negative x. Nah? So for this one, we have a positive y or positive x, as long as they have the same sign. Nah? Now, for example, if we have they have the same value, the same sign rather, the same sign. Okay? So the image form will be, we're going to swap only the coordinate. Okay? The coordinate, like from here we have xy, we just only swap yx. Okay, the coordinate of x and y. So we have here the new ordered pairs to be yx. Nah? So if this will be like, for example, if x is negative and if y is positive, then we just only switch. There's no changing with the sign. Just only we swap the position of the coordinate. So we have here, if this will be x and positive, negative x and positive y, so we will have positive y and negative x. Okay, just simple as that. Now for the y equals negative x, meaning to say not same sign. Okay, so one is positive, the other one is negative for that ordered pair. Okay, now for this one, if they have the same sign, for the coordinate having the same sign, for that one we swap the position of the coordinate. You see, from xy it becomes yx, and we change their signs. So from positive it becomes now both of them negative. Okay, so from positive both of them now are negative. So we just only swap the position of the coordinate and change its sign. So if, for example, if these are both negative, then definitely our image form will be both positive. And the last one is about the origin. We do not swap the coordinate, but rather we just only change the sign. Okay, we have here our first example. So for y equals to x, okay, so meaning to say that they have the same sign. So if y is positive, x is positive. If y is negative, then x is negative. Okay, both of them have the same sign. So for example, we have here the object, this is the object, and this is the image. Now take a look if for the reflection about the y equals to x, that we just only swap the position of the coordinate from xy to yx. Okay, now take a look. We're going to check here. For point A, we have negative 4 and 2. Okay, so we have here x is negative 4 and the y is 2. Now take a look at the resulting image. You will see that from negative 4 to it becomes to negative 4. We just switch or swap the position of the coordinate xy. Now before it was xy, here becomes yx as we have here. Okay, Mai? Now we have here one more, like point C. We have negative 5 and negative 2. And what will be the result? We have the image, negative 2 and negative 5. Okay, so that's how you can do reflection for a diagonal mirror line that y equals to x, or negative, the value of y equals to the value of x. Okay, so we go to the next one. This one, still the same. The value of y equal to the value of x. So take a look here at point B. We have negative 1 and 4. Okay, negative 1 and 4. X is negative 1 and y is 4. So you will see what is the result of the image here. We just only swap. So we have here the value of y, the coordinate of y, and this the x, right? So you have 4 and negative 1. Okay, or if we use point A, negative 3, 1, and now 1, negative 3. We just only switch the position of x and y if you're going to reflect, okay, through y equals to x. Na? Okay, Mai? Now we have here more. This one. This one is y equals to negative x. Na? Or the other way. You will say negative y is equals to x, meaning to say unlike sign. They're unlike sign. Na? Now, it says here that we're going to swap the position of the coordinate and change the sign, their signs. Okay? We're going to change their sign. After we swap the position, we're going to change their sign. Now, take a look here. We have here the object, and this is the image, right? So, take a look at the point A. We have negative 6, 3. Negative 6, 3. It says that we're going to swap. Okay, so possibly it'll be 3, 6. Okay, 3, 6 here for A prime. And again, we changed the sign, right? So from negative, it becomes positive 6. From positive 3, it becomes negative 3. Okay, did you see? So we just only switch the position of the coordinate and change its sign. Now, for a reflection about y equals to negative x, meaning unlike sign. It can be negative y equals to positive x. Na? Okay, Mai? We have here more example. This one, y equals to negative x again. So if we have this object, point object, this the object, and we have here the image. So we have here 3, 2. Both of them are positive, right? Both of them are positive. So we switch the position of this coordinate. It becomes 2, 3. Okay, we have here 2, 3, and from positive, we change them into negative. So they're both negative here. From positive, then both negative. Okay, Mai? Question. Okay, next. This one is about the origin. Now remember, the origin is here in the middle. In the intersection between the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so if, for example, we have here the object at point A, 1 and 2. The coordinate is 1 and 2. Take a look at the origin. We have x, y. Okay? You will see we do not swap the position of the sign of the coordinate, but we change their signs. Nah? If this is positive, positive, it becomes negative, negative. Or if this is negative, then this will be positive. Nah? We just change the sign. Now, take a look here. We have at first, the object is at 1, 2. Nah? 1, 2. So for the image form, this one, we will not switch the numbers till 1 and 2, but we're going to change the sign. You see, both positive, and now they will be both negative. Now we have here more example. This one. So we have here the object, and we have here the image. Take a look at the object. We have negative 1 and 2. Negative 1 and 2. Okay? For the reflection by the origin, we just change the sign. So we have 1 and 2, still 1 and 2, but we change the sign from negative to positive, positive to negative. Okay, Mai? So that's how you can reflect an object by the origin. Nah? We have our last example. This one. So here the object, this one's the object, and there's the image. Okay? This is about the origin here. They will be reflected towards this point in the middle. Nah? Take a look at point A. We have the coordinate 1 and 4. Okay? For reflection by the origin, we do not switch the position, but rather change only the sign. Take a look at A prime. This is the image of A, point A. So we have 1 and 4, but from positive, it becomes negative. Nah? Or take a look at point C. We have 5, 1. 5, 1. So what will happen to our C prime? We have negative 5, negative 1. Okay, so we just only switch or change the sign of the coordinate. Okay, Mai? So those are the last three we have. We have y equals to x, or y equals to negative x, and about the origin. Do you have any question? Okay, so if you don't have any question, that's all for today, and we're going to continue tomorrow. Bye-bye!